This is really hard. It's just really hard. Okay, I want to try an experiment. Are you ready? I am going to give you a poison pattern. Are you ready? Oh no, I heard that. Okay, so now I'm going to mute you all again because you can't all sing at the same time. And here's the poison pattern. The poison pattern is do, re, mi. Sing it one time. Do, re, mi. Okay, now I'm muting you. Mute all of you. I'm not allowing you to unmute yourself. Okay, here we go. This is the poison pattern. Don't sing it. Do, do, mi, mi. Do, mi, re. Mi, re, do. Do, ti, do. Do, re, mi. Oh! I saw Antea. I get a point. I saw her mouth move. I can watch it. I love it. I'm going to try it again. All right, are you ready? Poison pattern. Do not speak it. Marlene, you got to move the camera down a little bit so I can see your mouth because I can't tell if you're singing or not. There it is. Are you ready? Do, do, mi. Mi, re, do. Do, mi, do. Do, do, so. So, fa, mi. Mi, re, do. Do, re, mi. I think you did good. I wasn't sure if Ismail did it or not. Ismail, did you sing it? Because your hand was kind of waving, but I wasn't sure if you were singing do, re, mi, or if you did okay. All right, 1 point for me, 1 point for you. Are you ready? Do, mi, so. So, so, do. So, fa, mi. Mi, do, do. Do, ti, do. Do, re, mi. Awesome. Nothing. You got a point. 2 points for you, 1 point for me. All right, are you ready?